Hey guys, so we all know blue mascara was a hit in the 80s. I'm going to show you how to make it wearable for the modern day. It's not an everyday go-to look, but it is definitely perfect for summer, festivals and garden parties. I'm going to start by taking this magnetic matte eye colour in the shade Lilac Sky by Nude Sticks, and we're going to run this close to the root of the eyelashes as a bit of a soft colour just at the root. Think of it as a thick eyeliner, only super duper soft because it's a very flat, soft pastel shade. If you don't make it thick, it won't be very visible. So the idea is to lay it down and then blend away the seams using a synthetic blending brush. This one is by BK Beauty. Once you've softened it, apply a second layer just to really intensify the colour because it is very, very soft, which is what we want, but we do want it to be visible. Repeat that same process, apply the colour and then blend out the seams before it sets in place. What's great about these pencils is that they do set in place so you can wear them all day. Ideal if you're somebody with oily lids and you find that your eyeshadow migrates. If you want to try Nude Sticks products, you can use my discount code. Shonagh will get you 10% off site-wide. Likewise with the BK Beauty brushes, if you want to try those, you can use the code Shonagh10 for 10% off at the checkout. I believe both brands ship internationally, so no matter where you are, you should be able to make use of the discount code. If you're not a fan of using any pastel shades or any eyeshadow at all, you can totally forego this purple lilac tone. I just think it works so beautifully with the blue and also with the brown in my eyes. However, you can use any shade that works for you. You can even use an orange tone because that is the complementary colour on the colour wheel to blue. So if you want something that really stands out if you're going to a festival, orange and blue will be beautiful. But if you want something that is a bit softer and works nicely together, this lilac blue pairing is the one. If you've watched my tutorials in the past, you'll know that I'm a fan of creating a soft wing at the outer edge for a lifted look to the eyes. This is completely optional. You'll also want to take this colour underneath our lower eyelash lines to frame the eye. The pencils are super duper soft, so even if you don't have a brush, you can use your finger to soften the seams. In case you were wondering, the small brush I used to help with the wing was the Anastasia Beverly Hills No. 3 pointed brush. I love it, it's a great brush if you like to create winged liner. Along my waterline, I'm going to apply a vivid blue eyeliner. This is by Makeup Geek, which I know is no longer available, but any vivid blue eyeliner will do. If I can find a dupe for it, I will list it in the description bar. There is one by Rimmel from the Scandaleyes range, which I will link below. Once you've lined your waterline and you've used it to tightline, you want to give your lashes a curl. The curlers I'm using are by rephr, which I absolutely love. I use them all the time. The mascara is only £2.50. This one is by Revolution. It's the Volume Blue. It's fantastic. It was a little difficult to remove because it just stays put all day. So if you're going to a festival, this is going to be your best friend in terms of staying put for the entire weekend. I mean, that pigment payoff is incredible for £2.50. As much as I love the vividness of it, wearing blue mascara alone for me does need to remain in the 80s. But what makes this special in terms of bringing it into the modern day is to give this a fluffy finish to the eyes. And to achieve that, we are going to be using some eyelashes. This mascara alone makes the eyes look a bit like a negative photo. You know, when you see an inverted image. Because the lashes almost look lighter than the brown in my eyes, something about it doesn't necessarily look right. But the mascara is important. We need to disguise the colour of our natural lashes so that when we apply the false eyelashes, all we see is blue. So this is one eye down with the mascara. It still looks super fun and it really does hold a curl so well. You can see it instantly adds volume to your lashes. So if you aren't a fan of applying false eyelashes, for £2.50, this is a must. I got this from Superdrug and they have like a bunch of different colours. I've picked up 3 of them, so I'll do a little series of this so that you can see some of the other fun colours, perfect for festivals and summertime. I'm aware this will not be for everybody, but hopefully you'll enjoy watching it. I just sat out in the garden after I did this tutorial, and when Tommy came home he was like, wow, your eyelashes are so vivid. He kept asking me if I had like this blue halo around my vision because of how blue they were, but no, there wasn't. They were absolutely fine. So this is the mascara alone. This is what's going to take it to the next level. This is the LashBase Pro Effects eyelashes in blue. in the sizes large and medium. You've seen me use the Pro FX lashes a number of times. They've been designed to go underneath your natural lashes so that they are completely seamless. However, you can still wear them on top of your natural lashes. If you are going to wear them on top, you need to size down because they will be a lot longer when they sit on top. They've got further to travel when they're going underneath your lashes. So I like to pop a medium lash on the outer edge, and then I go in with large most of the way across, and then I will usually pop a medium on the inner corner. They do start in extra small and go up to extra large. I have done a tutorial recently using the dark brown, which I am a huge fan of for a more subtle finish. As I've got no intention of keeping these on for longer than the rest of the day, I'm using a strip lash glue, which is duo glue, but LashBase do a glue that you can use for a longer period of time. So if you want them for up to 7 days, you can use their eyelash glue. As you'll have just seen on screen, I have put a discount code. If you want to try LashBase for yourself, you can use my discount code for 10% off. Again, they ship internationally. They are based in the UK and they now have a base in the US as well. So no matter where you are, you should be able to get these eyelashes. Of course, they do come in standard black, but they have a few different shades now, and I can't recommend the dark brown ones enough. They are perfect for all age groups. And again, if you go down to sort of extra small and order them in, say, like light glam, because they come in different styles, they will be light enough even if you are mature. So this is my modern take on wearing blue mascara and eyelashes. We're bringing that classic 80s trend into the modern day. Let me know in the comment section if this is a bit of you. I know it won't be for everybody, but it's definitely fun to try and I can't recommend it enough. The mascara alone gives you a bit more of a spidery finish, but this soft fluffy finish from the lashes makes it look so much more sexy. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Please do take advantage of the discount codes if there's anything that I've used that you want to try for yourself. Hit that free subscribe button if you are new to my channel. Come follow me outside of YouTube over on Instagram @ShowMeMakeup, and I'll see you in a few days with another video. Bye guys!